Now, today we are going to learn about very important topics and foremost a common topic. So, what is this all about? Planning and organizing. So, what is the word planning means for? Now, this word is very much used in our day-to-day activities also. So, something we are planned to do some action. Okay, that is known as planning. So, something in advance we are planning how to do, when to do, and who has to do with the maximum output is known as planning. So, now let us see detailing about definitions and meaning of planning. Now, meaning what I just now said, planning is something deciding in advance means I am planning for most what to be done, how to be done. So, planning is deciding in advance what to be done, how to do it in some of the basic managerial function. So, what is this managerial function? For any type of management business or any type of business, the foremost, the important function, any activity is there means planning. So, irrespective of the business, we do planning. So, what is the planning involves? So, planning is something who has to do, how to do, where has to be done, how it has to be done in a good way, how we can obtain our objective, everything foremost, like pre-planned. We'll do this with the help of planning. Without planning, till today, it is highly difficult for anyone to survive in the market. So, suppose example, tomorrow I'm going to visit a temple. So what do? I planned before itself to what to be where, how to go, and if I reach at what time. So same such things is known as planning. So the basic important is it involves two aspects. So what are those two aspects? The main purpose of aspects of planning is setting of aim and objective of the organization. Means what is your target, what is your objective, means that you have to set first. Okay, then selecting and developing an appropriate course of action to achieve this objective. To reach your target, you will select many alternatives. So now let's see with an example what is actually planning mean for. Suppose say tomorrow I am planning to visit university. To reach university by 9 a.m. in the morning, what are the things? Okay, and what are the destinations, the ways to I reach? Say suppose to reach university, I have four ways or two ways. In these two ways, I will select the appropriate way where I can reach my objective. So, what is my objective? Reaching an university is my objective. And second one, the main purpose is selecting and developing an appropriate course of action, means selecting an appropriate way where I can reach my destination. Okay, so simple funda, simple logic to remember. What is planning is all about? Planning is all about any aim of your target and reaching your target in an appropriate manner, in a proper manner. So, why I am doing all such activities? To obtain my objective. Okay, so this is about planning. Now, let's see the definition of planning. The famous Contage definition. It is simple and easy. So, what is planning is all about? Planning is all about deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who has to do it. Okay. So, what is planning? Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and when has to done, and who has to do it. Planning bridges the gaps from where we are where and what we want to go. It makes a possible for thinking to occur which would not be otherwise happen. Means here we are clearly Kontas is saying in his definition that without planning, never and ever you can reach your objective. If you have a proper planning to reach your destination or to reach your objective, then it will be helpful to reach any time or with any difficulties. Okay, so simple. Please remember, planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do and who has to do it in an appropriate manner to reach your objective. Without planning, any objective cannot be obtained. So, irrespective of the size of the organization, maybe if you are having only one employee, yes, definitely you do planning. If you are having more than 3,000 employees or 4,000 employees, or even though you are a sole proprietorship, without planning, you cannot be reached. Okay.